Hello Weekend Crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend I am sharing with you some new colors for spring. I believe that inspiration is everywhere, and for this color palette I got inspiration from the Starbucks Spring Cup design. I thought that the combination of light and bright colors made this cup look so joyful. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. I am picking this bright orange color, this pink, this green, this bright blue, and this very light peachy base color. Let's mix Happy Salmon, Cherry Blossom, Pink Lemonade, Bright Blue, and Spring Green. For Happy Salmon, I am combining Fimo Soft Mandarin Orange and Sculpey's Souffle Pumpkin. My Fimo Soft is the opposite of soft, so I've had to hammer it a bit to soften it. I'm sharing a link above to share some other ways to condition hard and crumbly clay. This is how the clay looks like once it's been hammered. I'm using my pasta roller and flattening this out into the number 3 setting. I rolled out the souffle and pumpkin into the same thickness. I mixed a fourth of mandarin with 1 part of pumpkin. And this is the resulting color. I think that it's still bright, but not as bright as the mandarin color. For Cherry Blossom, you will need Fimo Soft in white and the same Sculpey Souffle in pumpkin. First, let us cut 2 parts of the white clay. We really want a very light color, so we will be using quite a lot of white. Next, let's cut 1/8 part of Sculpey Souffle in pumpkin. Once completely mixed, you will end up with a very yummy light peach color. For the third color, which is Pink Lemonade, we will need Fimo Soft in white, Sculpey Souffle in pumpkin, and Sculpey Souffle in Cherry Pie red. I am rolling all my clay into the number 3 setting. Cut 1 part of white. You will also need 1/4 of souffle and pumpkin. And finally, I cut a 1/16 of Cherry Pie red. Be very sparing in your use of red because it's a strong color. Now we are moving from our peachy colors to our complementary colors. To mix the bright blues, I used Fimo Soft in white, Sculpey Premo in light blue, Sculpey Souffle in Bluestone, and Sculpey III in blue. Cut one part of white, I mix this with 1/8 part of Bluestone, one-eighth part of light blue, and 3/4 part blue. This Sculpey III in blue is what will make this color pop. For the final color, which is spring green, I am using Sculpey Premo in mint and Sculpey Premo in forest green. Mix one part of the mint with 1/8 part of forest green to get this bright green color. I hope that you like the resulting colors. I am so happy with how they turned out and I am excited to make new projects with these colors. Have a crafty weekend! Bye!